Jai Hind students. Today I am going to give you a summary of the short story written by William Saroyan, published within the collection My Name is Aram, and the title of the story is The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. There are three main characters. One is Aram. This story is set in the continent South Africa, where Garogalian tribe is famous for its honesty, poverty, and there are two boys. The first boy's name is Aram, who is 9 years old, and the other boy, who is the cousin of Aram, his name is Morid. There is one crazy uncle whose name is Khosrove, and one farmer is there who is the owner of the beautiful white horse. His name is John Byro. So, what is the message given by this story is that despite social or economical challenges, there are some truths which are absolute and should be practiced under all the conditions. So, this is the fact and truth that Garoglanian tribe is known for its utter honesty, and the tribal people should be honest in all of the conditions. They should not be tempted by any of the greed. Likewise, Morid, who is having a dream to ride on the horse, and they were so poor people that it was very difficult for their people to keep their body and soul together. So one day, when this Aram is sleeping in his bedroom, so in the morning time at 4, this 13-year-old Morid comes and he's sitting on the white horse, and he knocks at the window of the Aram's bedroom, and he offers him ki, would you like to ride a horse? So definitely Aram was not having any belief that how can this boy has got this white horse, because they were utterly poor people. So he told you, stop asking everything. If you want to ride on the horse, please come with me. So he accepts the offer, and but he knows that he has stolen the horse, and he feels that this Morid, my cousin, is quite crazy. He is sitting behind him, and this is told in the story that Morid is just crazy like his uncle Khosrow. The real father or biological father of Morid is Zorab. He doesn't resemble with his father Zorab, who is a practical man, but he resembles his uncle Khosrow in his craziness. Uncle Khosrow was an enormous man who was always furious, impatient, and irritable. He would roar for everyone to stop talking and say it's no harm, pay no attention to it. Aram was invited to ride on the horse with Morid. After a short time of riding, Morid wanted to ride alone on the horse. Aram had the same longing, but when he sat on the horse and kicked its muscles, it reared and snorted and raced forward, eventually dropping Aram off its back. That afternoon, I have told you the name of John Byro, who is the owner of White Horse. He is an Assyrian farmer who has come to live in their area, and he is living along with Garoglanians. He's just like a foreigner in that tribe. So he comes to visit Aram's house, and when Aram goes back to his house, he finds that Uncle Khosrow is sitting in the parlor, and he reported to Aram's mother, means Uncle Byro reported Aram's mother that 1 month ago his white horse was missing. So, hearing this, Aram understands that the white horse which my brother is riding nowadays must be of Uncle Byro. Aram ran to Morit to inform him that that person is just repenting. That what will I do of that carriage? That carriage is of no use to me without that horse, and he is so sorry that somewhere his horse is missing. And he requests him, please return that horse to he requests Morid not to return the horse until he could learn to ride, because now Aram is also having temptation. Yes, we should return the horse, but first we should learn how to ride. I want to learn how to ride the horse. Morit disagrees, saying that Aram would take at least a year to learn, but you will take 1 year to learn riding of the horse. So, but he says ki yes, we will keep it for 6 months. And if somehow he sees this horse with us, we will say that today only we have got this horse. And every day in the early morning time, they are going out and riding that horse, and then they are tying that horse in the vineyard or some place where nobody can notice it. So Aram continuously tries to ride the horse, but he falls down of the horse. 2 weeks later, when they are going to take the horse back to its hiding place, means wherever they were riding, and then the sun was up, they used to hide that horse in a secret place. So they met John Byro on the road, who was the real owner of the horse. The farmer was extremely surprised. He recognized his horse, but refused to believe because he knew that these Garoglanian people are utterly honest and they can't steal anyone's thing. So that afternoon, Byro came to Aram's house to inform that stolen horse has been returned. He thanks God the horse has come, come better tempered and well behaved too. So this is the summary of the story. Hope you have liked it. Thank you.